pointing a weapon and shit.
Alright, Colonel, we have to give your person a proper burial. And we gave him...
Great.
Yeah, we gave him a proper burial.
That's the 14th trooper I've lost this week.
Yep, you know Jimmy's and Merham's back there?
Who?
I wonder if Jimmy's Merham is back there.
I like Jimmy's
Casey's
mom
is
too,
back
she's
here.
really hot.
And... Yeah, you know where Jimmy's Merham is?
No.
Come on.
I don't know.
Jimmy, I want Jimmy's Merham.
She's on Hoth. She's on Hoth. Take the teleporter to Hoth.
Explain to me where the
Can I help
hell
you?
was Jimmy's Merham. Yeah, she wasn't there.
She's there, Wheezer, I'm telling you.
I checked every part. She's not there. Yeah, can you let me back there so I can see where Jimmy's Merham is? I just want to check if Jimmy's out. Yeah, I don't know where Jimmy's Merham is.
What are you doing here, buddy?
Do
Who do you
know
think
where
you are?
Jimmy's Merham is? I'm trying to find where Jimmy's Merham.
Jimmy isn't here, man. He got killed by Darth Vader.
Yo, Jimmy's Merham. I don't give a shit about new.
Jamie's mom isn't here. Like I said, she's at Vader's chambers.
I request permission to go back there.
What?
Go back there right now.
I can't.
Do you know where,
I think I'm behind you.
I kinda want to know, Sherlock told me that, Jimmy's Merham is back there. Gotta find a way to go back there and save Jimmy's Merham. Alright,
Hi.
how you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
So, here's my plan. I wanna go back there and try and rescue Jimmy's Merham. Watch me. Alright. She's not back there. Bullshit.
Dude, is that Carl Weezer?
Yo, I am dead, dude.
Alright, do you know where Jimmy's Merham is? Come back here. I know you wanna know where she is.
Yeah, that bitch.
Tell me where she is right now.
Sounds like.
Oh yeah, it's great tracking.
Hurricane.
I really need to find out where she is. Everybody's spreading fake news.
Oh, shut up. Nobody cares.
Girl, I'm trying to find out where she is. Come
Alright,
on.
kill that guy.
SC, come on.
You guys know where she is now. You guys know where she is. Yeah, what is this? Is this the escape route that Jimmy's Merham used? Yeah, you. You know where Jimmy's Merham is?
Stormtrooper aid in securing your...
Oh my god! What the hell, bro? I'm trying trying to find where Jimmy's mom is. You better tell me right now. What did I do to you, bro? Come on. I'm just trying to find Jimmy's mom. Are you gonna finish it?
Yo, we'll find whoever captured Jimmy's mom.
Yeah, I know. It's probably the Jedi.
Mildly upset to mildly pissed, and you want me when I'm mildly pissed.
You won't like it when he's angry.
You won't like me when I'm angry because I just start killing people.
Grand Moff Tarkin. Exactly wrong with the reactor?
Okay, guys. I guess the quest didn't work this time. But don't worry, I'll try again another day to try and find Jimmy's mom. Maybe I'll even join the police force. Anyways, like and subscribe if you want to see more of this awesome quest for Jimmy's mom.